So in this video I'll be showing you a step-by-step method or guide on how to fill your tax identification number online, and I'll also be telling you how I got it, where I got it, and in fact everything concerning the tax identification number, ranging from filling the form online, where I got it, how to get it, your location, what's up. In fact, just keep on watching. And hey people, so welcome right back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Thank you for your love, comment, subscribing to my channel, giving me thumbs up, and checking up on me when I don't get to post as when due. Okay, I really appreciate you guys. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I filled in my TIN information, like how I filled in the form online. For those of you who do not know about TIN, is tax identification number. YouTube put out this out there some months back. I can't remember, but the expiration date for this was 31st of May for all monetized channel, especially for those people who are not based in the US, for creators that are not based in the US, that 24% of their monthly income or monthly earnings will be charged from if they fail to submit their tax identification number, their info and all that. Like, everybody was worried, and me, I didn't, as at then, I didn't even know. I was in the process of monetizing my channel, so I feel like, okay, yeah, I didn't even get to know about it that much until when I had monetized my channel. And then I went to my, I think, Google AdSense account to check something, and I saw the display on my tab that I should, you know, submit my tax information. And I'm like, where do I get this done? How do I even start? Like, I was, because me naturally, if you know me, I'm a warrior. Okay, like I worry about every little thing, especially those things that really matters to me. I worry about them. This channel means a whole lot to me, so anything that concerns my YouTube channel in general, or maybe having, like, me having to do something on my channel and I'm not doing it, or I have not done it, or it has consequences especially attached to my earnings, it really gets to me. When advertisers pay YouTube to place ads on our video, and YouTube gets their own cut and we get our own cut, so coming to tell us that if you're not based in the US, 24% of your monthly earnings will be deducted from viewers in the US. Imagine 80% of your viewers are from the US. I got worried. I got even more worried when this message was sent to me on I think on Wednesday. Okay, so I went to a nail technician. Like, I took my sister to a nail technician to have her nails done, and then on our way back I got a mail from YouTube payment, and they said it's like it should be treated with immediate alacrity. Okay, so when I said when they sent me that message, I'm going to leave it on the screen, like with immediate, like it's like a prompt, like it's really like emergency, like I have to attend to it as soon as possible, because you all know that I just got monetized, even though I have not like verified my identity. Okay, so but then I think I have some coin in my Google AdSense account that I don't want to lose. Okay, so, and I know that every 21st or 23 of every month YouTube gets to pay people that have reached their like threshold, like maybe you have like $100, $200, you know, like for those who do not know, like they pay from $100 and above, and nothing less than that. So I have less than $100 in my account, yes, but then I was scared that 21st, like come 21st of this month, they are definitely going to deduct it whether or not I have reached the $100 threshold. Okay, so I was super worried. So when they sent that mail, like I couldn't sleep that night. I had to make calls, but to no avail. Okay, so I had to check online, and then I think prior to this time I had seen a video of this particular lady who really explained about the tax info, how to get it, and how to fill the form, because I was worried that even if I get the what's it called, the tax information, like the tax identification number, how then do I fill it? How do I start the process? Okay, so I downloaded the video, and washed. Okay, so when I got this message, I took myself out to FIRS office. Like, to get your tax identification number, you have to go to any FIRS office nearest to you, or better still, you register your business. They will give you that pin, then you can now fill your form online, which I'll be showing you minutes from now. Okay, now when I went to their office, coming back from the bank where I went to open my dorm account, so I came back and stopped by their office, and then there's this lady who really tried to stress me out, but then it was worth it in the end, because she now redirected me to somebody who was meant to help me. So when I went to meet her and I explained everything to her, and she was like, okay, sit down, but on announced you're supposed to get it at I don't know the name of this place again that she called, but not I think LIRS, I'd be something like that, I've forgotten. Okay, so Lagos State something something. So but then she said I should not worry, that I should sit down. Like, when she said sit down, I knew that okay, yeah, there is hope. So I sat down and she collected my voter's card and did something in her computer and brought out a pin, okay, for me. She generated a pin for me, and then I took it home, and she even gave me like a notebook. Okay, so this is the notebook that she gave me, and then comes with this full sheet of paper. I think there was no need for this big sheet when the pin is just somewhere there. Okay, this thing you're seeing here is the pin that she gave to me. Okay, and it came with this notebook, and she was like, thank you. And I'm like, just like that, like, okay, like I was really happy, because this is one of the things I have done on YouTube that is like 0% stressful. Okay, it wasn't even like stressful for me at all. She just did it and did not collect a dime from me. I don't know, but I was really grateful that it happened that way. So if you are in Lagos and you're looking out for a way to generate your PIN, or how to get your PIN, just like a tax identification number, like especially on the island, please do well to comment down in the comment section. Let's just go and fill this form online, and I'll show you step by step on how to fill this form. Okay, yeah. So first of all, I started off by signing into my Google AdSense account. I'd forgotten that I was meant to show you guys when I was signing in, but it doesn't really matter, because I believe you all know how to sign into your Google AdSense account. After signing in, you'll see the fill tax info or something like that, and you click on it. Okay, you choose the individual account, and you'll be asked if you are a citizen or resident of the United States. Of course, I choose no, and then hit the next button, and it will take you to this particular page. So guys, when you're being taken to this page, you're going to choose the W8BAN, okay, meaning that you are, as in if Nigeria has a tax treaty with US. Okay, so and then you're going to be taken to this page, or redirected to this page, where you have to choose whether or not you are in Nigerian, Ghana, like, you know, you're just going to basically choose. And of course, I'm a Nigerian, so I search through it and click on Nigerian. Then this one is the tax, where you have to fill your tax identification number. Okay, so it was kind of difficult for me to differentiate between these two, but then I think I chose the foreign thing. I didn't want to show you guys, because of course it was my pin, and I'm not meant to show you guys for security reasons. I don't know, but yeah, I'm not sure I was meant to show you guys that. Then I was basically going through it, making sure that I filled in the right information, because you can't afford to make any mistakes. Okay, so I was just going through it, and there says street address, so I kind of was confused, but then I think I just went through it thoroughly, make sure that I understood what they were just, you know, asking. And then they were asking me a residence address, so I clicked on the box, and then city, of course, is Lagos. Okay, then after filling that in, postal code, I wasn't sure, but then the state that I was in is Lagos. Okay, so I quickly filled that in. So guys, after I filled that in, I was asked for a mailing address. Okay, so your mailing address is basically what you had already filled in your while you were opening your AdSense account. So you already have that in there, so you have just have to tick on the box if it is the same mailing address. Okay. So I clicked on the box. It was kind of difficult for me because I literally was doing this all by myself. So I was making sure that everything was filled in correctly and in the right places, and just that. Okay, this street address was a little bit difficult for me to really understand what they were really saying, until I really find out that okay, it was basically my street address, like where I am currently living. So I quickly filled that in, and then so in this part it is where they ask if it's not like it's a question though, but Nigeria and the US does not have a tax treaty. Okay, so of course you want to do well to click on the no option, because yeah guys, it was really for me, I felt like this is the place like where you have to know if like I mean, you should understand. Okay, so I clicked on no basically, and then hit on the next. This is the form in full. Okay, and I was just going through it, making sure that everything, of course, is filled in the right places, the right, the right things. I just went through it all over again because I don't want to go through this thing again. I don't think it's even possible to edit. I'm not sure, but if possible, you can just let me know down the comment section if I can edit this. Okay, but for me, I was just making sure that I go through it and making sure everything is in the right places. Okay, yeah. So yeah, in this column you have to confirm if you've gone through it and you've accepted. Okay, so now this where you have to full legal name, you have to where you have to pen down your signature. Of course, your signature is your name, so I basically wrote my name and then hit on the next, or probably submitted it. Okay, so guys, you guys are going to pardon me, but I hope I'm explaining this thing to the best of my knowledge, like explaining it to a layman understanding. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so I was just going through it, making sure that I've read it properly or thoroughly. Okay, so in this section, they're asking if I've ever performed any transaction, any activities or service with Google within US or something. So basically, I don't even know what they're talking about. So obviously, it's no. Okay, so yeah. So yes, in this part, you'll be asked to confirm if you've ever received payment from Google, or you are just like for just monetized YouTubers, you've never performed any transaction with Google. So of course I've never received my payment from Google AdSense, so I clicked on no, and then boom, I was approved. Okay, immediately Google Payment sent me a message like from my mail to confirm that I have just been approved. Okay, so basically that is how I filled my own form online. I used my phone to fill the form online. Okay, so and you don't need nobody to help you out, and be sure to always to read out the to read out the outline or the form very well before submitting, just so you don't make any mistakes. So immediately you could see that while I was filling the form, immediately I was done filling the form, Google sent me a message immediately that it has been approved. Okay, so like I am free from that trouble, I'm free from that deduction, because guys, y'all don't want to miss any coin from this, because you spend so much time, so much energy, so much love, so much, like everything, money and everything, to put out a video only for you to collect peanuts in the end. So I don't think it's that stressful to do this. Just to be on the safe side, just take yourself out and get this thing over and done with already. So yeah, I hope I've been able to help one or two persons who have been stressing and didn't even know how to start or how to go about this pin. Okay, so you get your pin in the FIRS office. Okay, so yeah, FIRS office, I don't even know the meaning of that. Okay, let's just see, Federal Island Revenue Service. Okay, that's where to get your tax identification number from. Okay, yeah, if this video has been helpful and you've been watching, like you've watched till this, the noise, okay, you've watched till this point, please do well to give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. I know thumbs up is as well as like. Okay, so just either of the two, just like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.